If you've ever exhibited at a conference, a trade show, or at an expo, you're sure to have seen one of those crazy fast moving, looping product demos or marketing videos that are impossible to follow along with. What you probably don't know is how much time it actually takes to create one of those, only to have it never be used again after the trade show. Luckily, with Supademo, you can either reuse an existing interactive demo you've already created, or quickly create one in just a few minutes and use it all across the trade show floor. By using demo autoplay and looping, you can have your Supademo play just like a video, letting users passively watch demos while following along with on-screen text annotations. And if they want to click along and basically take control, they can do so just by grabbing the demo and clicking through each of the steps. Once loaded, these demos will work online or offline without the need for a live sandbox account. In fact, companies like Easy, Process Maker, or Spare use super demos loaded onto iPads or computers all across the trade show floor, giving reps the confidence and the ability to quickly show key features without sandboxes going offline or having to be the utmost expert in every single minute feature. Check out an example right here.